Hello everybody, Mr. Odom here, and today, I should scroll up on this, we're going to work through a problem out of section 3.2, word problem, and so you'll need your pencil, composition book, or notebook paper to take notes, and a calculator. You might need it, or you might not. The learning target for this video is that you can apply properties of operations to solve word problems, okay? So let's read through the problem and let's highlight what seems to be important to us. So while catching fireflies, you and a friend decide to have a competition. So after m minutes, by making that a variable, it basically says we could be talking about 5 minutes, 42 minutes, 38.7 minutes, 12 seconds, which is part of a minute. And so using the variable gives us a lot of flexibility. So after m minutes, you have that many fireflies. And your friend has this many fireflies. Okay, so that's important stuff. So part A says write an expression that represents the number of fireflies that you and your friend caught together. So let's look at what a simpler problem might be. Let's say after m minutes, you, instead of you have 3m plus 13, let's say you had 42 fireflies, and let's say your friend had 27 fireflies. So to answer part A, to write an expression that would represent the number of fireflies you and your friend caught together, that means that we would have to add 42 and 27, and then that would tell us how many fireflies that we caught together. So this is it called a numerical expression. All right, so that's a simpler problem. But instead of 42, you have 3m plus 13. So that we'll write that expression down, 3m plus 13 fireflies. And your friend has 4m plus 6 fireflies. And to figure out the total number of fireflies you caught together, we should add these two expressions together. Okay, and because that's what we would do here in this simpler problem, we would just add the two numbers together. All right, is this in simplest form? No. So I'm going to go ahead. I want to use the vertical method just because I like practicing that. So I have 3m plus 13. I'm adding 4m plus 6. And can I go ahead and drop these parentheses? Yes, because there is no value here in front of these two linear expressions. So I'm going to go ahead and erase those. I don't need the parentheses. They can just go away. And my like terms are already lined up with each other. So 3m plus 4m is just 7m, and 13 plus 6 is just 19. So this is the answer for part A. Okay, and actually, let me include the units on there. So it's 7m plus 19 fireflies. So that's how many fireflies that you have between the two of you, the total number. Okay, so that's part A. All right, part B says the competition ends after 5 minutes. You want to know who has more fireflies. So you, this is part B, you have 3m plus 13 fireflies. Your friend has 4m plus 6. So after 5 minutes, m is going to be 5. So the competition ends in 5 minutes, means that m equals 5. So we basically have an expression that we have to evaluate by replacing the m with 5. All right, and we have to do that for your friend as well. So 3 times 5 is 15. 15 plus 13 is 28. So you have 28. I'll put FF for fireflies. And your friend has 26 fireflies. So who has more, right? You do. Okay. So this is how we can use linear expressions to help us to solve word problems and evaluate expressions. So that's all I have for this video. Hopefully that was helpful to you. If you have any questions, bring them to class. All right. So you guys have a great day, and I'm out.